Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to use floating window on Samsung M35 device. Well, users can use floating windows to reference information from one app while working on another, making it convenient for tasks that require cross-referencing, comparing data, or copying content between apps. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. Well, first thing first, you have to go to the settings menu on your device. Well, after that, scroll down and select the advanced features menu. Okay, after that, find out multi-window and click to open. Okay, and then on this page, you must activate swipe for pop-up view because this feature allowing you to use floating window on your device. Okay, so the way to use it, simply swipe from the top corner toward the middle of the screen like this. Okay, but if you want to close it, simply touch and hold this blue line, and then you can drag it to remove option below. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to use floating window on Samsung M35 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.